My name is Zimbabwe Gomasungwe from Zimbabwe Red Cross Society in Marsh West. What motivated me to apply was the rising number of young people who are engaging in drug and substance abuse since the lockdown started last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So the COVID-19 pandemic problem that we want to address is drug and substance abuse, which have affected so many young people since the COVID-19 lockdown started last year. And we've seen so many young people being affected, engaging in drug and substance abuse, some even ending up losing their lives, some getting addicted, and some even dropping out of schools. They can't concentrate. They've been affected so largely by drug and substance abuse. So the idea that we have in order to address the issue of drug and substance abuse is to start awareness on the effects of drug and substance abuse to the young people, so that they can see the effects that the drugs and substances are having on young people in the community. And we collect case stories from those that are using drugs and those that have once used drugs and managed to stop, and then we use them as motivational stories to those who are still using drugs and also want to stop. And we also provide information on how they can actually stop from being addicted to drugs and substances. And we provide information on the rehab facilities that we can offer to them so that they can actually stop drug and substance abuse, and also engaging them in some community projects like community gardens, where they can spend their time doing something so that they don't have much idle time, which is leading them to engaging in drugs and substances.